Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid, and in today's video I'm gonna guide you through how to fix Paycom app not working on Android. So first of all, launch Google Play Store on your Android devices. From here, go ahead and tap on the option of search at the bottom right. Now go to the search bar and simply search for Paycom. Now tap on Paycom application from here. Now over here, instead of the option of open, if you see the option of update, tap on it and make sure that the application is updated to its latest version. So once you update the application, all the issues and bug problems will be fixed from the app. Now another step in order to fix your issue is that launch settings on your mobile devices. Once you come here, scroll down below and tap on the category of apps. From here, you could directly search for Paycom, then tap on the application. Once you come here, scroll down below and tap on Storage. At the bottom right corner, you'll see the option of Clear Cache. So tap on it in order to fix your app issue. And that's all for today's video. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.